everyone, Beth Dodson here with HomeZada. How are you today? Let me know in the comments. No, seriously, let's get down to business. We're going to talk today about cleaning those hidden areas that may be covered in bacteria. It's cold season. Some people have already had their colds. Some people are in the midst of it. So how do we avoid bacteria in these hidden areas? So I'm going to give you several tips to know which areas to clean. So first area, clean your doorknobs. Walk around, clean every solitary doorknob, whether you have slider closet doors, whether it's open and closed doors, pocket doors, clean all the areas where people have to use their hands to open them. The second area, clean your light switches. Now, you would still want to use cleaning solutions, but be gentle because remember there's wires back behind the actual switches, but clean your light switches because they also are using our hands to turn them off and on. Third, clean your phones. Whether you have house phones, whether you have mobile phones, it's important to clean your phones because they do carry also a lot of germs. And then fourth, clean those remote controls. Whether you have television remote controls, DVRs, VCRs, DVDs, whatever the case may be, if you have a remote control in your house, clean it. You'd be surprised at how often we forget about these items and they are just infested with bacteria. So I will advise you to be careful with all of these items, especially the ones that are tied to batteries and or electric, because you don't want to damage the items. So gently clean them. Make sure you are cleaning them at least thoroughly. Use the right systems to do that. And it can be anything from a rag and a cleaning solution to gently using a Q-tip with a little bit of alcohol rubbed in it to make sure everything's clean, but clean them so that you can avoid the germs and hopefully avoid getting sick this season. So I hope these hidden cleaning tips help you and will give you a cold-free season.